interruptive, pushy. It's very marketer-centric. Those channels in the last couple decades were very convenient for us as marketers to control. What's happening today with inbound is understanding that it's customer-centric, pulling the customer in, using tactics like search engine marketing, creating helpful, interesting blog posts to attract people and help them and educate them and let them find value from your content other than just learning about what you have to sell and you. Inbound is them. And it's tough to describe because, like I said, it's not just talking about digital, it's not just talking about social. But once you geek out on it, you spend years thinking about it like I have, you start to spot it everywhere, you start to see it everywhere. And I was in a liquor store in Boston when I really saw it. I said, this is inbound. And this is what I saw. I'm into craft brews. Anybody else here drink craft brews? Yeah, be better in Boston, right? So I found that there was a six-pack I'd never seen before by Sam Adams, okay, local microbrewer made good. And, oh, sorry, I'm hitting this all over the place. Local microbrewer made good. I'm gonna look at this. And what it was is they were advertising about the people who consume and make their product. And they run a contest every year, they've done this for years, where they identify beer drinkers who are so passionate about this product that they design and make their own beers. And they give them an opportunity to mail in their own recipes, and they let it for the employees too, because I would assume that certain Sam Adams employees are passionate about beer, yes? And they let them have their name, have their face, an artist rendering on the bottle and get national distribution. And I said, this is amazing. This is marketing people love. It got my attention. It was customer consumer centric. And of course, on the six-pack, there's a place where you can go to their website. Like I said, they've been doing this for years. And Sam Cooke, the founder of Sam Adams, will teach you how to make his product. Will teach you how to do the thing that they know how to do so well. Now, I can imagine being in the boardroom and stuff, people saying, oh, we can't teach them how to make our beer. You're going to teach the people who have recipes and know how to make beer. You're going to teach them how we do it. They're going to take their secret sauce and run away with it, right? And that might be what your CMO or what your startup team will tell you. Don't tell them how we do what we do. Don't give them samples. Don't give them the blueprint. They're going to take it and run away with it. But that's not what happened. I didn't take this and start my own microbrewery to disrupt Sam Cooke and his company. I just wanted to know that these guys believed what they still believed in the beginning, which is people who are passionate about their product and service, dare them to do it themselves. Dare them to solve the problem themselves. Make sure that they understand exactly how the product is made. I thought it was fantastic. I made a YouTube video about it. I'm freaking out to my wife. I said, this is what I've been telling people about. And what it really is, guys, is when you let your user, let your customer, let your client be the hero. Teach them how to solve the problem and celebrate those people who solve it with passion. And then you're going to be the afterthought. You're the mentor. You're the person who gave them helpful information. You gave them the ingredients to solve the problem that you are so passionate about solving yourself with your product, with your service. Let them be Luke Skywalker. You're going to be Obi-Wan. That is what HubSpot's secret to success has been. And the people who ended up signing up with us, when I asked them, how long have you been following HubSpot? On average, it was 2 years. Learning, trying, getting better. We dared them to do it themselves, and eventually they got good enough. They got enough runway where they said, I need help. And who are they going to turn to? Their mentor. Help them be a hero. They'll remember who their mentor is. That's marketing that people will love.
But HubSpot is a software company that realized that this trend was happening. We make marketing software for small and medium-sized businesses to do inbound marketing. It was 250 employees and 4,000 customers when I joined, and now it is over 12,000 customers and 800 employees on 3 continents. Public company, went public last year. It's just been amazing, guys. It's been a fantastic run to see this company grow, and people are really embracing this. They understand that this is something that they need to do, and they need software to help figure it out. So I've been able to work with some of the brightest minds in marketing, software, and business today, and really see the company not just help people do marketing, but just help people engage with other folks, whether it's sales or customer service, the inbound experience. And I work in a team called HubSpot Academy. We're a customer training team, as I said, and we believe that the businesses that are the best educators will be the ones who are the most successful in their markets. The businesses who are the best educators will be the ones who are the most successful. So we're a small but growing team. We take our job very seriously, but we like to have fun. We like to have serious fun. Cheesy, that's my cheesy slide moment. We got that over with. And we designed something called the inbound methodology, where it really kind of shows that as a marketer, there are 4 key stages that you must go through if you want to have strangers out there in the ether who have never heard of you go through to become visitors of your website, leads in your database to contact, customers of your business, and then finally promoters who will refer additional business onto you, upsell, cross-sell, and help the whole cycle continue. And along the bottom, you'll see, are the tools that HubSpot designs, but really there are many other software vendors out there, folks, some of them free that you can do, but there's certain tools you use to get certain things done to move people through this process. And you can learn all about that after this session today along the bottom there on the main website. But one thing I want you to really understand is that we provide certifications and training programs. We had to create sort of a professional class of marketers who do this, teach them the processes, just like you folks do, right? We're in this room right now because you want to create a certain quality and standard of knowledge and education. They put together a great program. I saw on one of the flyers you have to take an exam, right? There's some sort of services fundamentals exam, $75 or whatever. This is an exam you can take with training for free online. You can do it in a weekend to become a certified inbound marketer. We will walk you through step by step how to do this for free because it doesn't really cost us anything more. Once we produce this video of the training program, it runs itself. And that in itself is a major, powerful factor going on right now. We trained over 10,000 people for free to be certified as inbound marketers. And guess what? A lot of those folks end up wanting to buy the software and actually use it to get things done. So it's a very powerful concept, and you folks do it already, certify yourselves in your own services training. So what is inbound marketing really? Let's dive